Welcome to Electrical Maker. Already we know that we are going on MV and HV module electrical feeder panel. Already we have discussed of an induction lamp. In this video, we are going to discuss about push button. Push button. We are in this topic. We are going to cover definition, parts, type, working principle. We already discussed induction lamp. Now we are going to push button. Here definition and parts are shown in the slide. As you can see, a physical view of an push button. Here are a push button which are used in the industries like electrical panel. This type of push buttons are mainly seen in industries. Its internal mechanism is shown in this figure. Push button internal mechanism you can see here, and terminal diagram is shown in this figure. You can see a internal mechanism with NO and NC. NO means normally open, NC means normally closed. Here you can see a operating head. You can see in the terminal diagram also, and NO contact, NC contact in both the figure. As you see in this all three figures, now I am going to discuss 2 points. Push button is a switch. As you can see here, push button is a switch in the industry. It consists of operating head. You can see here operating head, and next we can see push button is of NO contact. Here NO contact, and next one is NC contact. It should be two or more. Both NO and NC contact can be two or more. After these parts and definition, we are going to study about types. You can see here the push button have different types of push buttons are shown here. These are classified based on working principle and operating handle. First, we are going to working principle. In working principle, spring return and stay put. Spring return is momentary and stay put is latch. These are two different types of push button based on working principle. Next one is based on operating handle. Here are four different types of push button based on operating handle. Push button, you can see here a flash push button, extended push button, wing type push button, emergency push button. On this video, we are going to discuss on these two types of push buttons. We are going to study these two types. Next is in this type. You can see we are going to see working principle on spring return. We are going to study working principle on spring return. You can see a push button here based on working principle. Now we are going to discuss some more points of spring return. Press the spring return push button. You can see here a hand is pressed here. After pressing, the contact will close its position. As you can see, this contact will close its NO to NC, NC to NO. This is a terminal diagram of a spring return. Here it is now open, here closed. It will become NO to NC, NC to NO. Once we remove the finger, the push button returns to normal position automatically due to the spring. Due to inside there is a spring, it returns to normal position. This type of spring return push buttons normally seen in a home doorbell. A doorbell, when you press the bell, it makes the sound. After releasing a hand from a button, it comes to normal position and sound stops. This type of push buttons are seen in a home doorbell and bike horns, car horns. These types of spring return push buttons are used. In industry, it is used for different purposes. Now we are going to study of working principle of stay put. Here we can see a internal view of stay put push button and terminal circuit of stay put push button. Here we can see some more points about stay put. Press the stay put push button. You can see a hand is shown here. Press it, and when you press the button, contact will close its position and the contact will pose its position. Once we remove the finger, it stays in this last operation. When you remove this finger, it will remove in last operation only. It will not change like spring return because inside there is no spring in this push button. So again, the push button is pressed, the contact returns back to their normal position. If you want to make it for a normal position, or you should press it again, then it will come to a normal position. It is not same like spring return. This type of buttons are seen in a home toggle switch. You can see a toggle switch in home. When we press the button, a light ons. When we press again, it light offs. These types of buttons are seen in home, and these types of buttons are used in industry also. That's all about this video, guys. This is push button. Next we are going to discuss about push button typical application. uh, Two typical application and technical specification are seen in next video. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye.